Hey guys, so I'm back today in the corner woodland garden section A or 1, I forget what I named it, but I'm going to be adding a few more plants in because here's the thing, I got a lot of dark stuff up here and I want to add some brightness to it. So let me show you what I have. So what I have today is these daisies. They're actually called freak daisies and they are just really fluffy. So let me show you the tag here. So the mature size is 13 inches high by 21 inches wide. Are hardy down to -20, which I think that is zone 5 or 6, I don't know. And they like semi-moist watering. So I think these will be happy here because it is a little moist. So I have 3 of those. Then I'm going to be extending the flower bed a little bit. This is called a Summer Wine 9-bark. It gets 6 by 6, but I love the color of the leaves. I love dark leaf trees. And then it gets like white pink flowers. I'll put a link to more information about it. So I'm gonna place these and then I'll show you where I'm thinking about planting them. So over here in this section by the weeping tree, the plants just kind of stop there. And I thought since these stay short but they get wide that I would kind of swoop them back in there. I have a banana cream daisy in that back corner there, and then I might put the 9-bark on the other side of the fence. So let me place these and we'll get to planting. Alright, so I have them placed and right here it kind of looks like they're lined up. There is some space between them. But you know, when I saw these I was actually going to get 5 of them. I chose to get 3. 1, because they were in pretty bad shape, and 2, because I didn't know if I really needed that many after I saw what the spread was. So let's get these in the ground. Okay guys, I just got the daisies planted and oh, they look so good. I mean, minus the tripod and the shovel, but oh, I love how this area is shaping up. And then look, my petunias are blooming too. Aren't those so beautiful? So I've been fertilizing these every week. And then of course, a hedge of Russian sage. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to make a spot for this, and let me show you what I had in mind. So right here is the fence, and this is kind of the back. This is a road. So what I want to do is kind of take the landscape fabric and make a swoop to meet over here, and then I want to plant that probably like right in the middle here, just so when it grows there is some privacy. And then I don't know, maybe I'll add some plants here. Landscape fabric is done. So now this rock right here, I don't know, it was in the way. So I'm going to use it because there is a tree stump there. What I've been doing is just kind of leveling the tree stumps with the ground and then just mulching them. So I'm going to plant the tree probably right here. Hey guys, it's all planted and I wanted to show you this view. as I was digging the hole. Oh, let me see if I can get in there. Look at how beautiful that looks, minus the wagon. But oh, isn't that so pretty? So, this will grow quite large, 6 by 6. And then, like I said, I'm going to round off this angle. I was going to do the other side, but I think I'm just going to leave that straight. So now I'm going to add some mulch and we will be finished. Alright, so this is how I'm going to curve it. Alright, there we go. It is all finished, I think, so far. We'll see. But alright guys, thank you so much for coming for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Alright, so I'm just kidding. So, I saw this that I still had left, and, well, I think I need to get it out of the can. So, I think what I'm going to do is plant this real quick, and then that will be it. Alright guys, so for real, I will see you in the next video. Bye.